Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is FIRDAUS with Mama RIZAN, and I team up with my friend RAHAIZAN. So in this video, we're gonna show the result of design question in Lab 3. So here is the full C language program. First thing first is the configuration bit and define the frequency to the 20 million. Next, we define the keypad for row 1 to row 4. We set as output and connect it to RB0, RB1, RB2, and RB3. And the column we set as input and connect it to RB4, RB5, RB6, and RB7. So here is the function for keypad where the scanning process happen over here until here, and we return it, we return the value. So next we define the set 1 to REO and segment 2 to RE1. And here we connect all the 7 segments to the port D. And here is the design question answer. The first question is if an odd number is pressed, display the value on the 7 segment display. So here is the coding for the question number 1. For question number 2 is if even number is pressed, turn off all segment on the 7 segment display. And here is the coding for the second question. And the third question, if other key is pressed, turn on the 7 segment display and count up 0 to 9 on the 7 segment display, which is this is the coding. And now we done. We run the project by click this button, and now it's the build successful. And then we debug project, waiting, and it done, and it say run target. So we go to the PIC simulator lab. So if I press the odd number like 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9, so it will display the value, the value that I press. So if I press the even number, it will turn off all segment on the 7 segment here, so it will be blank. So we try to press 2, 4, 6, 8, and 0. So no 7 segment on, all is off. And the last one is if the key is pressed, it turn on the 7 segment display and count out from 0 to 9. So we try to press A button, so you can see it count up from 0 to 9. As well with B button, C button, D button, the start button, and the hashtag button. So all three questions has been answered in this video. So it's successful this coding. So thank you very much for watching.